US Xpress mobile app is a trucking app that is designed to provide truck drivers with convenient access to critical information and tools. The app provides you the important information, including your safety documents and maintenance schedule, the ability to scan your paperwork and view a map of your stops via satellite view. It also lets you view your trainees' hours and help documents. You can also request help with the app, submit feedback, and more. Communicate with the office and receive communications from their view news from the company that is relevant to you, covering a wide range of issues. View payroll details. View hours of service detailed information. View support documents. Ask for assistance with the app. This innovative mobile app offers a variety of features and benefits that will make your life easier. It's free to download and use, so you can start improving your life right away. The developer of US Xpress app provided this information and may update it over time. Is US Xpress mobile app safe? Yes, it is an official app from US Xpress.